Oh, bloody hell.
Charlie 08, can you repeat that? Sorry, Calne Town. Give you 5-minute warning as we get closer to 0 hour, received. Yeah, Roger, thank you for that. For your information, we'll establish a forward rendezvous point in the car park behind Calne News, which is just the new short stay car park across the road from the town hall. It is protected by the building. Proceed, over. Yeah, Roger, thank you. I've got the action plan in front of me. Do you want any advice or are you happy, over? I think we're all right at this time, thank you. We're just going to be closing some roads shortly. Charlie 08. Charlie 08. Yeah, I appreciate we've got one other traffic unit en route. If there are any other units, what I'm doing is we're doing a closure of the A4 in the town centre. We're closing it at the junction, Station Road at the roundabout so we can turn the traffic round. And we'll close it at the top by the line of junction at the roundabout. Sorry, what was it? From 352. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, I'm just going to go roundabout and the line of turn in. Do you want me to do that one? Yeah, if you could, close the A4 down into the town. 324 from 08. Go up to the telephone kiosk. They'll want to use those kiosks, sir. Yeah, Charlie, train down to 92. Bigger. Train down to 92, yes. Go towards Calne immediately, please, over. Yeah, we're based to do an RV and briefly, do we need any other equipment, over? Briefly, we have a suspect package in the open. It's a toolbox. We have corners on and roads blocked. And that's all I can tell you at this time. No codes or anything, just a 1 hour warning, over. Yeah, understood. The RV, over. Charlie, for your information and for that of the log, we're now doing inquiries Carnegie Mews New Road area. Just instructing occupants to stay away from the front of the building. There is a road closure on. Given the size of the device, or possible device, at the town hall, the town hall building itself offers a considerable degree of protection to people. We have a cordon on, and the nearest occupied premise is the Lansdowne Strand Hotel. The corner of it where dining area is has been evacuated to a safer part of the building. Received? That's all received, thank you. Roger, 613.
No, they can't get to that road without going through town, I think, over.
Two Royal Army engineers with me. Do you want to speak to them, over?
Yeah, give me a couple of minutes. If you send them round through the back of Carnegie Mews, that way, over. All units at Calne from QJ, it's 1 hour since the call was received. All units at Calne, 1 hour since the call was received. Charlie 08, noted. Delta 92 from 08. Delta 92 TJ. Delta 92 TJ. Yeah, I've just got to Calne. Okay. 08, just entering Calne, over. Yeah, Roger, I'll come up and meet you at the roundabout, over. Charlie 08. Charlie 08. Yeah, we've, DC Rose has examined the package. At this stage, we're not happy to open it. Charlie 08, I've got most of that. I think you're saying advised route of approach is the A4 Quemmerford direction, have I?
Yes, confirmed. That gives the protection of the town hall. It's a safe place here to park the vehicle. Use the town hall as cover, over.
I appreciate that.
Right, they've evacuated the Strand Hotel and the houses in Carnegie Mews, which are the ones opposite the Strand and the Town Hall. They think there's a suspect package supposedly at the front of the Town Hall, and the situation is ongoing. They've thrown a cordon around the area, including roadblocks, both on two sections of the A4. And obviously I'm a little bit speechless, so you'll have to forgive my inarticulacy.
Whiskey Sierra, continue, EMC, Alpha 15, yes, Whiskey Hotel Sierra.
Well, as you can see, they've just been given the command to get those people out of line of sight of the building, which is what they're doing. Ah, didums! It's quite funny because they're basically being told by the police to piss off now because they're within line sight of the device. So they're not going to be able to stand around and gawp like we are.
Still not sufficiently far away, have
We are having problems. We've got a considerable crowd here.
Yes, I would just suggest that you instill in them it's for their own safety and it is vitally important, have
Shit. This is really escalating now.
Last from 08, all units and personnel out of the line of sight.
Looks like they're going for a controlled explosion now. They're getting everyone out of line of sight. Either that or they have actually discovered it's a bomb, which would be a little bit frightening.
All units, Charlie Echo, stand by for very loud explosion.
Here we go.
All units, Charlie Echo, stand by for a loud bang.
Fuck. Controlled explosion. Now he's seen everything.
QJ, Charlie Echo 324. Reference the phone call. Have you got the number that the call came from, so we can identify which phone box it was? Over.
That's already been done, but it's 813617, Ella.
That's lovely. It's just I've been guarding two boxes that have been right next to each other, and I just wanted to clarify which one it was. Thank you, Emma.
91, could you?